very rare moment that you really are one piece with the car, but it's a lot of work.
Zen moment, it's difficult with a screaming flat six engine behind you. And if you start to attack too much, push too much, you're gonna make mistakes or kill the tires. You're gonna win this race on being consistent in a double stint, and there you have to be zen.
Here in Fuji we should have a strong package in terms of setup, in terms of lineup, so everything is looking good at the moment.
The car and the track combination gels very well, and I really enjoyed driving in Japan, and obviously the fans and everything make it so special.
Every track we'll go this year will be new for this car.
We are here to learn and to get a good result for sure, but I think it's more important to understand the car and get a good setup and develop it for the future.
We did the right homework, we improved the car, and we tried to qualify as good as possible, but still we have the race in mind.
Now starting from the pole in a special track like this,
it really suits our Porsche RSR very well. That was magical.
I'm very happy for me reaching the team for Porsche.
We won a Silverstone, and now on pole, what should I say, just a perfect job from everybody.
First pole for the RSR 19, so it's really good.
It's always awesome in Japan. Hopefully we can get off to a good start, get through the first couple of hours, and then really knuckle down.
I think we should be strong for the race.
We started last year and won the race, so we have definitely the faith.
It was nice to be on the pole, we got 1 point. But the most important from all the week is the race, and this is coming now.
We started in P8, we're currently running P4, we're in the middle of the race. It's starting to get interesting now. We'll see how the next few hours go.
So far it's gone as planned. We got a puncture right at the time when our pit window opened. I think I brought the car in at P4, and then Felipe Fraga will take it to the end.
Quite a good start. I was a bit stuck behind the others, but somehow we had lower degradation than them, so I could pass. I think finish my stint in P3.
Currently we are P4 and P6. It's very tricky because the last hour is now raining, damp, but not enough for our wets. And we had 2 slow punctures, but still 3 hours to go. Challenging and tricky.
The team had a great race. We had great pit stops. I think all 3 of us had great pace. It was fun.
Be on the podium again, P2 was more or less maximum, I think, for us. So great comeback from yesterday to today.
It shows that the team is really strong. Now we just need to put all together and to fight back with a double win at the next race.